Hi everyone, welcome back. I was asked by one of my followers to make a nice thick shortbread, so I'm going to make a classic shortbread for you. This is a really easy recipe. There's not many ingredients in it and it's absolutely delicious. So let's get started. The first thing, it's very important to use room temperature butter. This is nice and soft. I left the butter out last night, so it's perfect. In here, I'm going to add in some sugar. Now I'm going to mix this for about 2 minutes till it's nice and soft and fluffy. And that's perfect. Now into here I'm going to add in plain flour, all-purpose flour, a little bit of baking powder and some corn flour or cornstarch. Now we're going to mix this again until all the flour and corn flour is combined. And that's the kind of consistency we want. We don't want to over-mix the mixture. So now we're going to get this into our tin. This tin I'm using measures 8 inches by 8 inches. Okay, let's get all this mixture in here. Now get a spoon and just press it down. Just make sure to line the tin with some greaseproof paper. Before it goes in the oven, get a sharp knife and cut out 16 rectangles. Cut down the middle first, then across the centre, and then cut each of the sections in half. Now we can cut our individual shortbreads, just like that. And we've got 16 shortbread fingers. Now all that's left to be done is to get a fork and just for the signature look of these, prick each of these a few times. By cutting it now, it makes it a lot easier to cut it when it's baked. And they're ready for the oven. They're only going to take about 25 to 30 minutes and all the temperatures will follow in the next slide. Let's get them into the oven. And there it is, it's fully baked. It's a lovely golden colour. This is the colour that shortbread should be. Nice golden colour, shouldn't be any darker than that. You can also see the lines we made with the knife and the marks with the fork. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a sharp knife and I'm going to cut this while it's still warm. It's best to cut shortbread when it's warm. There's less chance of it being crumbly and breaking. And now I'm going to sprinkle it with a little bit of caster sugar while it's still warm. Okay, so we're going to leave this to cool completely in the tin and then we can lift it out. These have cooled enough now, let's get them onto a plate. Beautiful, gorgeous slices of classic shortbread. That's so crumbly and buttery. Delicious. That shortbread is just the best shortbread you will make. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please try it out and if you do, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of it. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, happy baking everyone and see you all soon. Enjoy!